Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to bass boost, increase volume, and EQ audio directly in Google Chrome using a simple extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon, and it's where you'll access all of Chrome's additional features and settings. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal the drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu showing you various extension-related options. Extensions are small add-ons that enhance Chrome's functionality, and in this case, we'll be adding one that gives you full control over audio playback. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can browse and install various tools. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Ears Bass Boost EQ Any Audio. This is the specific extension we'll be using to control audio settings in Chrome. Hit Enter to search and you'll see the extension appear in the results. Click on it to open its dedicated page where you can learn more about what it does and read user reviews. On the extension page, you'll notice a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Go ahead and click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will download and install automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's installed, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the extension is ready to use. Now look at the top right corner of your Chrome window again. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, find and click on the Ears Bass Boost EQ extension you just installed. This will open the extension's control panel where you can adjust all your audio settings. Inside the extension panel, you'll see a toggle button labeled EQ. Click this toggle to turn on the equalizer. This activates the audio enhancement features and allows you to modify how audio sounds in Chrome. Once it's turned on, you'll notice several preset options available including flat, bass boost, electronic, and acoustic. Each preset is designed for different listening preferences. For example, bass boost enhances lower frequencies for a deeper sound, while acoustic is optimized for natural, unplugged music. Click on any of these presets to instantly apply that sound profile to your audio. If you want even more control over your audio, you can adjust all the sliders manually. Each slider represents a different frequency range, and by moving them up or down, you can customize exactly how your audio sounds. This is perfect if you want to fine-tune the sound to match your specific headphones or speakers. And that's it. You've now enhanced your audio experience in Chrome with a fully customizable equalizer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.